It's time to clean up, let's start today. Put our toys and books away. We'll make it fun, we'll make it bright. Cleaning up will feel just right.
Clean up, everyone, let's tidy up until we're done. Put things back where they belong. Cleaning up is a happy song.
Pick up the blocks and stack them high. Put the crayons back, let's give it a try. Stuffed animals on the shelf, so neat. Cleaning up is such a treat.
Clean up, everyone, let's tidy up until we're done. Put things back where they belong. Cleaning up is a happy song. We can do it, you and me, working together happily. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor. We'll have a clean room. Let's do some more.
Gather the cars and the dolls so fine. Place them in their spots, all in a line. Books on the shelf, so neat and clear. A tidy room makes us all cheer.
Clean